In today's fast-paced digital world, content marketing has become a crucial strategy for businesses to connect with their target audience. However, as technology continues to evolve, so do consumer behaviors and preferences. To stay ahead of your competitors in the year ahead, it is essential to be aware of the latest content marketing trends that will shape the industry. In this article, we will explore 5 key trends that you need to embrace now. Video content dominance, engaging visual stories. Video content has been on the rise for years now, but its dominance is set to continue into the future. According to recent studies, video consumption is expected to account for 80% of all internet traffic by 2022. This trend presents a significant opportunity for businesses looking to capture their audience's attention. To leverage this trend effectively, focus on creating engaging visual stories that resonate with your target audience emotionally. Incorporate storytelling techniques into your videos and ensure they are optimized for mobile viewing, since mobile devices are driving much of this growth. Personalization. Tailoring content experiences. Gone are the days when one-size-fits-all content was enough to engage consumers. Today's consumers expect personalized experiences tailored specifically to their needs and preferences. To meet these expectations, invest in data-driven personalization strategies that allow you to deliver relevant content at each stage of your customer journey. Utilize tools like AI-powered recommendation engines or dynamic website content based on user behavior analysis. User-generated content. Authenticity drives engagement. Consumers have become increasingly skeptical about traditional advertising messages and seek authenticity from brands they choose to engage with. User-generated content, UGC, plays a vital role in meeting this demand, as it allows real customers' voices and experiences with your brand or product service shine through. Encourage users to create UGC by running contests, featuring customer testimonials, or sharing user-generated stories on your social media channels. This approach not only boosts engagement but also builds trust and credibility with your audience. Voice search optimization, conversational content. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, voice search has become a mainstream way for users to find information online. By 2022, it is estimated that 55% of households will own a smart speaker. To optimize your content for voice search, focus on creating conversational content that mirrors how people speak in real-life conversations. Use long-tail keywords and answer frequently asked questions concisely to increase your chances of appearing in voice search results. Interactive content, engaging experiences. Static content alone may no longer be enough to capture the attention of today's digital-savvy consumers. Interactive content offers an engaging experience that encourages active participation from users. Consider incorporating interactive elements such as quizzes, polls, assessments, calculators, or virtual reality experiences into your content strategy. These types of interactive formats not only entertain but also educate and provide value to your audience. In conclusion, staying ahead in the rapidly evolving world of content marketing requires being proactive and embracing emerging trends before they become mainstream practices. By leveraging video content dominance through engaging visual stories tailored specifically to individual preferences, using personalization strategies, by encouraging user-generated authentic voices, optimizing for voice searches with conversational language, and implementing interactive elements for more engaging experiences, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of their industry. Remember, success lies not just in knowing about these trends but taking action now. So start exploring these trends today and stay ahead of your competitors tomorrow.